how to fix Facebook error login on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you and share with you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open settings of your phone, and you will go now directly to apps or applications. Then you will scroll down and you will go and you will search for Facebook. Then you will find, when you will find it, just open it like this and go to storage, and now go to the bottom of the screen and click on clear data. Then click OK, and now your problem will fixed. So I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in other videos.